Okay, this is funny. It's early in the morning. I just walked outside, and what is this? It is a plant. And it was left here by one of the neighbors who asked if I could fix it. She calls me the plant whisperer. So we can do it. Let's do it. Plant's here in the emergency room. I love that. Yeah, drop your plants off. Just don't bring me a basket of kittens. That would not be good. All right, we're on it. Okay, looking this plant over, the first thing I am going to do is cut back a lot of this foliage. You can see a lot of it's drying out underneath. You know, sometimes our plants just need a good haircut to make them a little healthier, or hopefully a lot healthier in this case. The other problem with this plant is you can see, if I lift that up, see how the root ball is not planted deeply into the soil? We need to fix that. And then the other issue is, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous container, but problem, there's no drainage. You really have to have drainage. You have to have drainage. So I think what I'm going to do is cut it all back, pull it all out, zhuzh the roots a little bit, clean things up, and then I'm going to replant it, but not in this same container. I'm going to replant it in a container with drainage and then put it in this container. So I've got a couple of options here I'm looking at. This pot too might be good, and we'll see what works. So let's do it. Okay, we got it all repotted. Put in some nice potting soil all around it. I did throw in a little bit of fertilizer. I didn't want to overdo it because I don't know how much fertilizer this plant has received. Okay. There's a chipmunk right now that has joined us for this video. That's pretty funny. He's just staring me down. Hey, Chippy. All right, I digress. Shiny object, squirrel. So, this looks really good. And then I'm just gonna lift this, right? And put this in here. So hopefully that is going to help the plant, because now it has drainage, fresh soil, all the roots are covered, little fertilizer, had a nice little trim. I'm gonna do one final trim. There's a couple of stems. I'm going to trim back a little bit more deadheading, a little bit of water, and return it back to its home. I'll keep you posted. We'll see how it goes and grows. So thank you for hanging out with me in my Maine garden, and Chippy too. Where'd you go, Chippy?